Welcome to this latest JD unboxing video. This is a short one, and I recently updated the Thinkpad to this Thinkpad T480S, which is in a good condition. This should be the new flashing machine. Great compatibility with Ubuntu and other Linux distros. In a more sleek form, but it was a bargain apparently from a Deutsche eBay listing, but there was not the charger. So I started to search the correct charger, and I found that this is only a USB-C PD charger. I initially used this one, which is a handy from my old my swap. This one, which was a 20 PD, no? It was charging, but very slowly, and by time and time the computer sent an alert on a 2-week charger. So let's see what I found at the media world. This should be the most appropriate item. They had it only now. 1 month ago there wasn't, and this was only, if I am not wrong, 25 euro. You can find it at 29, 24 at this price, this range of price. And it's a 68 watt, which is correct for this one, which should be a 65 watt draw. The alternative were the Pixel, the very good Pixel PD chargers, or the Apple more powerful PD charger. That Apple, I don't know why they don't call it PD, Power Delivery, but because the Apple they are. The Apple one, the Apple one was between the 80, 90 euros. There was one discounted at 65 euro, but this one is from Lenovo, and it was a very, very well priced. So I go to check the packaging, as always. The packaging is very cute, probably a bit too much violet. GaN technology, 15 mm, 1.5 meter. There is included a high quality USB-C cable, which is rated for this 70 watt one. Lenovo authenticity. This one, if you have a recent Thinkpad, baseline to mid-level Thinkpad, you can't go wrong with this one. Let's unbox. There is a plastic. There is a plastic seal. That's correct. The cardboard is very firm, very high quality. I think it's not fully recycled for sure. It's a very white paper. Okay, I see. Let's open from below. The package was pre-opened from below. Okay. And this is the very good cartotechnical project. Let's watch. As always, there is this small booklet. With the specification. But the PD chip will take charge of all the issue you can do. And here we are with the main charger in a black card box, in a black cover. You can remove one time and it's gone. Boom. There is a recycle with a Chinese ideogram, recyclabile paper, sec, CE, the right logo, Lenovo. I have to say it's a very common design, very compact. If we consider this one is a 20 watt, the typical sees, the Lenovo is only higher. Very good quality. This is the cable, made in China, PC cable. Non buttare via generico, probabilmente vuol dire butta, throw in the RAE, throw in the electronic disposal. And this one is the high quality cable, which I touch, is very thick. It's very thick. It has a good rigidity than all the other cable I have at home. Probably the most similar is this cable from a Pixel, which is same thickness, but this one is more mobile. No, it's same quality of a Google Pixel original cable. So let's compose, let's assemble. It's a simple object. Okay, on your Thinkpad you have the left side with the typical 3 doors. Let's focus. One. Nice job. The doors, they are all the same, so I am now using the one with a charge lab. And then you are okay. That's all. It's very easy. Lenovo charger. Ah, okay, I missed it. There is also a matte finish, and a 68 shiny glossy 68 that I am trying to show. I am now changing lens in the Sony and handheld to show the GD Blue ET Power Rock. There will be a review soon. It's a very rock solid, probably a bit obsolete door, fragile, but I connected the Lenovo, the AC on is active, and we are connected. I am going always to do test, even for an unboxing video. I decided to do a real check. Attenzione, you can open your Thinkpad with one hand. Of course, but on the PC laptop, this is not so obvious. Most of the economic PC will not have that. We are at 70% of the battery. The battery is pretty old, but it's safe. And as you can see, the drawing is moving and 45 watt. There was a moment at 99, but I am not believing. This is very instant. Is very the Blue ET Power Rock is very instant based. There is not an algorithm. It's relatively precise, but fast moving the consumption. We can see in this moment is drawing a 45 average. Just for research, I am now comparing with the my swap 20 watt for a smartphone charger, and there is a black screen for a moment. The message is not there, but it it was shown at the reboot. But the most important thing is that, as you see, the charge is on 20, is a wave between 20 and 15. Estimate 1 hour and 17 minutes with this 20 watt. And instead, while using the Lenovo, I switched back again. And the estimate for a full charge is 37 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was the Lenovo official Lenovo USB-C 60 watt charger, which is I think appropriate for a Thinkpad. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching and bye.